This is a question I actually get a lot of is if I treat your under eyes, if I do under eyelid surgery, lower blepharoplasty, whatever, is it going to get rid of dark circles, like actual darkening in the eyes? And the answer might surprise you. Here's the long version. By moving the fat, removing the fat, putting fat in areas around your face, you'll have less of a hollow. Now, if that hollowing is causing darkening, like from a shadow, that'll be improved, absolutely. But if you have what I have, which is dark skin under the eyes, a blepharoplasty is really not going to treat that. You're looking at things like exosomes, lasers, chemical peels, skincare, and sunscreen. Those things will dramatically improve the skin. It's not going to be gone, but it'll improve the skin darkening in that area. And that's because dark skin in that area is genetic. You have staining of pigment in that area. It's not going to come out with a surgical procedure. You have to put something in there behind that, again, like exosomes, which can improve that. Sometimes fat transfers can actually make the skin look a little bit better, but overall, you're going to have some component of that dark circle for some time, if not forever, unless you do the other skin stuff. Other questions about lower blephs? Let me know in the comments.